Hello guys and welcome to another Python tutorial. Today we're going to do the condition control loop, aka while loop hard task. So it asks us to create a program that thinks of a random number between 1 and 100. Then the program asks the user to guess it. Should the guess be too high or too low, the suitable message is shown on the screen. Once the number is guessed correctly, as well done, message is displayed and the number of incorrect guesses is shown on the screen. So this is my code for it, which I have done. And so this is how it ended up. It's probably the biggest code that, well, it is the biggest code that we've done so far in Python tutorials, and the biggest code that we will do in the Python tutorials. And I'll explain it now. So the first thing we have to do is import random. Random is basically a module which comes when you install Python. Basically, it's when you import it, it has set commands for certain things. So say if you have lots of lines to do something simple. You can also make your own modules, which is quite cool. Anyway, so you import random, it needs to be at the top of the code. Then you start your end loop, which I explained in the easy and medium task. I don't really need to go into detail again. And then you set a variable to 0. I've named it guess because this is the number of guesses so far. Then we ask them to input their username. Just an added feature I put in there. It's not mandatory, but I thought I would. Then we created a variable called number, and then we used the random function. So we do random, which lets us know it's going to be from random, and then randint, which is a function in there, and then here we put the numbers which it could be. And this is basically, it could be 1 to 100. Then we print the name, which is the username. I'm thinking of a number, what is it? And basically you can choose to the amount of guesses to anything you want. So I could make this 50, and if I haven't got it in 50 guesses, it will do this. If I have done it in less, it will display the correct message. Now guesses equal int, input take a guess. So each guess plus is 1 to guesses. So guesses equals guesses plus 1. That's quite a bit of a mouthful, but yeah. So, and then if guess is lower than number, you print your guess is too low. If guess is higher than number, you print your guess is too high. If guess is equal to number, it breaks. And then it will go, if guess equals number, guesses equal stir guesses, which basically says that guesses equals how many guesses are done, and that allows it to become a letter, not that. Oh, stir basically makes it a letter, not a number anymore. Then we put well done plus name. You guess my number in that many guesses, and guesses. And if guess equals number, number equals, now it's a letter again. Print nope, the number I was thinking. So this is basically if you don't get it in enough guesses, and then it asks you if you would like to play again. So if I won it, I'm gonna 10. Your guess is too high. 5. You guess my number. Y. Show scheme. What's the numbers guessed? I missed the number of incorrect guesses. Just said on the scheme. Y. Yeah, and it just won the whole thing again. If I, for example, just change this to 1, yeah, 5, 1. Nope, the number I was thinking of was 8, and then it just continues from there. So I hope this has helped you in your Python. Like the video if you like. If you want me to send you these questions, just place it in the comments or check the first Python tutorial. I think I put it in there. So thank you for watching, and take care.